Avem colaborări internaționale foarte bune, cum este, de exemplu, colaborarea cu profesorul Campbell, cu care în ultimii 20 de ani am avut 5 proiecte majore europene, deoarece ne completăm reciproc. Profesorul Campbell este expert în design, noi avem o mare experiență în fabricație și în acest fel am reușit, în cadrul proiectului DiCoMI, să dezvoltăm un nou tip de imprimantă 3D.
DiCoMI, it stands for Directional Composites through Manufacturing Innovation, and that was encompassing what we are trying to do. Composites manufacture, so a mixture of polymer and some sort of fiber, but being able to control the direction of the fiber, hopefully to give us stronger components. So that was the initial idea that started us out.
Mai mult, imprimanta proiectată de noi va putea fabrica piese din materiale compozite și vom putea proiecta pentru prima dată și structura pieselor, nu doar formă, astfel încât să le facem mai ușoare, cu o greutate mai mică, dar să aibă rezistență mare, deci practic vom crește funcționalitatea pieselor și a produselor.
Well, we've got partners from right across Europe and beyond. And because of the network we'd built up from previous projects, we were able to select the best people for different parts of the project. So we had people from Romania, from the UK, from Germany, from Turkey, from Ukraine, and then going as far afield as South Africa and even New Zealand. In fact, what we're already seeing within the DiCoMI project, we're seeing that graduates who've come through our program at Loughborough and gone into their PhDs, and graduates who've come through the program here at Cluj and gone through their PhDs, they are working very effectively together. The only barrier that there would be from our side is that my graduates can only speak one language. So as long as everybody can communicate in English, there's no problem. The level of knowledge and the level of expertise is very similar. So they're able to work together very effectively.